Tesla, the world's EV, guys. And wait, hold on. That's not right. Hold on.
Huh, interesting. So, Tesla, the world's EV, guys, you know what it is, man. Help me help you. I'm back with another vid, and this one's about the EV-based wheel covers that they previously launched that I love. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right, guys. Don't forget, if you like what you see, you can always like. That's what it's there for. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Anyways, yo. So, for one, evbase.com. Big shout out. And before we begin, guys, if you do go over to evbase.com and just kind of check them out, because it's not just wheel covers, they have a whole bunch of stuff. They have all accessories that you can imagine and think of. And also with the code Tesla Worlds EV, you can get 20% off. That is correct. The code Tesla Worlds EV. You can get 20% off of evbase.com. And they don't just have Tesla accessories. It's probably mainly EVs, Rivian. They have all sorts of stuff. So just check them out. But anyways, let's jump into these wheel covers, man. For one, I do want to, maybe you guys didn't make this mistake, but when I first got the Tesla, I didn't know too much about accessories. This was before I discovered evbase.com. So, anyways, before I discovered EVBase, I got these little, they're kind of rim protectors. So those of you that don't know, those of you that do know Tesla, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And maybe you have a story of your own, right? So, anyways, there are these rim protectors that you can get because the wall of your rim sticks out from the custom aero caps that you get from Tesla, and a lot of the old ones too. So, like a lot of the old school aero cap, because mine's a 2024, but I'm assuming even before 2024, they had all aero caps that came with the Tesla, and a lot of the ones they were making did not cover the rim wall. So, unfortunately, I think it was about $150. I can't remember what website it was, obviously, and it's not their fault, obviously, right? But anyways, I did buy these rim protectors that simply go, you stick them on the wall because the wall of your rim sticks out on all, well, excuse me, on most of the caps until around now, which I guess I can't speak to previous because I got mine around mid 2024, but a lot of the caps I was seeing didn't cover the rim wall. So long story short, I got these little rim protectors that you just kind of stick on the wall, and honestly, they're for curb enthusiasts, is what I call them, and that's people that hit curbs. So, those of you, I mean, I have done previous videos, and in those videos, I did tell you guys that my wife hits curbs all the time. So, mainly, I got those just in case, she wanted to go joyriding in the Tesla. Yeah. So, anyways, but they were 150 bucks. And the problem with those little rim covers, protectors, whatever you want to call them, they did kind of protect a little bit, but you're out $150 if you want to change your wheel caps, get your tires rotated. If you have a flat tire, either way, you can't take those things off at least cleanly. So, if you put those things on, you're out 150 bucks. If you want to change them out, maybe you don't, maybe you're tired of those air caps. Maybe you want to go a different color because you're feeling a different kind of way. Don't do what I did. So, anyways, EV Base just launched these new wheel covers. Dope design. Love the matte black. Love these rim covers. Wheel caps. I don't like calling them caps because they just don't feel like caps. When I think of caps, I think of hubcaps, but they're nothing like hubcaps. They are, they're way better quality. Plastic is way different. I mean, I'm not sure if it's even 100% plastic, but long story short, they are dope. cool design. Matte black is perfect. Every single thing that EvBase, and this is not just the wheel covers, but every single thing that EvBase has sent me is literally still on my car, has been on my car for a minimum of 5 months with not a scratch, there isn't even a piece of dog hair on it. So very good quality, man. I am highly impressed with the quality, and I've had no issues. And honestly, I mean, they're not sponsoring this video, not at all. So I will keep it 100 with you. There's not, I wouldn't be sitting up here and telling you guys something if, I didn't believe it or if it wasn't 100%. And I can 100% tell you that everything they send me is legit, and that the wheel cover, everything is 100% quality, man. And I have gotten other stuff from other places and the quality has not been A plus. So they get an A plus for that. So most of the stuff they sent me is it gets here very fast, shockingly fast. And I'll be 100%. There's been a few things that didn't get here too, but nothing was over like a week and a half, 2 weeks. Nothing crazy. But everything, maybe twice out of the freaking, what, 15, 20 things that I've gotten from evbase.com has gotten here shockingly fast. So, but the point of the matter is these new caps, this new design, I said cap again. See, these new wheel covers are legit, man. I love the new design. My previous induction wheel covers are also from evbase.com, and I still love those. But you got to check these guys out, man, because they are legit, they are affordable, and you can get 20% off on top of it already being affordable. Do you see what I'm saying? So, but anyways, let's get back into the wheel covers themselves. Now, they cover, because I did kind of want to talk about this because I kind of got off track a little bit, my bad. But anyways, they cover the rim wall. Okay, I'm going to repeat that. They cover the rim wall. See, I got some wheel covers before, and they were kind of the same exact ones, just the different colors. The aero caps that come with the Tesla, they're usually white and gray. I turn around, I got the black and gray ones, obviously not from evbase.com. But anyways, I ended up getting those and they didn't cover the rim wall. And I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do? I already took off those stupid ring covers. And then guess what? Come on. EvBase.com came into the picture. That's right. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. That was the wrong button. That was there you go. That one's for you, EvBase. So, anyways, yeah, they cover the entire rim wall. So you don't have to worry about getting some little stupid ring things for $150 and then being out $150 when you want to go take them off for any given reason. So don't be like me. Don't be like me. For all you curb enthusiasts, it covers the rim wall and it does it actually pretty phenomenally. I don't know if I said that correctly. It covers the rim wall very well. Okay. So it looks real good. It doesn't poke out remotely, right? Now, some of the other ones that do cover the rim wall, some of them have like poked out just like a little tad bit before, and these perfectly sit on your on the rim wall. So you can't even, if you look obviously down at the rim, you can't even tell that they're on it, right? They legitly look like rims, legitly. So they're on there solid. Also, the little setting, I would only assume, when you do put and if say you do put induction wheel covers, you do change that in your settings. And I believe, considering they are 20-inch and they're not the 19-inch Geminis, I can only assume that you would probably switch that setting to induction wheels, even though they're not technically, induction wheels, but they are at the same sense. You don't lose no range. I kind of tested it myself. It's the same exact thing as the induction wheels. There's no range loss or none of that. And once again, like I said, they're actually fairly lighter than even the aero caps themselves. Because I mean, like when I picked the box, when I first got the box and I picked the box up, it was like a box of feathers. It was like it was one pillow in there or something like that. So they are really light. So, but there you have it. I love evbase.com, man. Really, truly. Big shout out to them. But number one thing is most, and I would say maybe all that what I've seen as far as their wheel covers, they all cover the rim wall. So they must interesting because I do wonder maybe someone at evbase.com was a curb enthusiast and you know helped other curb enthusiasts out there because a lot of people like to hit curbs. So, but they got your back. Anyways, once again, man, go check them out, man. EvBase.com. Once again, you can get 20% off with Tesla Worlds EV if you put that code in at checkout or before checkout or whatever. It's not rocket science. Just put the code in. But anyways, that's all I got, man. Big shout out, big thanks to them. EvBase.com, guys. Go check them out. And that is all I got for you guys. Once again, don't forget like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. And there is one more thing. Go check out the video I just did about the Model Y because it just launched in America. So go check that thing out as well. It was my last video. Outros.